Hello everyone, I am Ajola of 6B. I am going to talk about the district Chennai, which is the capital of Tamil Nadu. One of the famous places of Chennai is Marina Beach. Marina Beach is a natural urban beach in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, along the Bay of Bengal. The beach runs from near Fort St. George in the north to Foreshore Estate in the south, a distance of 6 km or 3.7 miles, making it the longest natural urban beach in India. Marina owes its name to the Governor Mountstuart Elphinstone Grant Duff, who was captivated by its pristine beauty at that time. Like most British government officials who ruled over the colonial India, he didn't seek escape from the scorching heat of Madras by going up the Western Ghat Mountains. This is a small shop near Marina Beach. The famous foods in Chennai are idli and sambar, dosai chutney, onion tomato uttapam, pongal with chutney, sambar vada, vada sambar, milagai bhaji or chili bhaji. Languages spoken in Chennai. Tamil spoken in Chennai uses English words liberally, so much so that it is often called Madras Bhasha, Tamil for Madras language. Other languages spoken in the city include Telugu, Malayalam and Urdu, and they contribute to the vocabulary of Madras Bhasha as well. These are some pictures of District Chennai. Thank you for watching. Done by Ajola.